Hi, this is the TCL Tab 10 second generation and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and by this way we could create the new home screen folders. If you want to add a name or rename the app, just tap once on the name and enter the new one. If you want to move folder on the screen or between the screens, hold and drag it. To remove the application from here, hold and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. And also if you want to remove folder with all of the applications, just hold the folder and drag it to remove. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.